Okay, it's a little too high. My level is almost level. Now it's a little low on this side. All right, still a little high on that side. How's that look? Still a little bit high. Okay, now we're slightly too high, so we'll pat that down a bit. Still high on this side. You know what? It is a little bit too high, so I am gonna pull some out. Oh, sloping this way now. What does that mean? Wait, see if we lowered it enough. Nope, we didn't. So we're gonna lower this again, which means that's gonna be even higher. I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm just trying to figure it out. Bring this around the corner. Let's see how this is, just for starters. Uh-oh. This is higher now.
Do you know how much longer you might anticipate this process going?
I'm almost done.
Okay.
Nathan, where's the hose?